Lasfit is my favorite LED bulb company. Make sure you check out Lasfit bulbs, because you're missing out if you don't use them. Sorry for the glare, but I'm gonna get one side done. So this is your brake light. And this is your turn signal here. And then you're gonna come up here, and this is your reverse light. Now that all your light bulbs are just hanging out, you know, we'll get the new ones in. Out with the old, in with the new. We got our turn signal working, the brake light working, and we go up here, and our reverse light is working. These are all the new lights, new brake light, and you got your turn signal and reverse light. So, if you look at that, I do have the license plate lights in already. Oh, but look at this pitiful old side with the halogen bulbs. Y'all see the difference in Lasfit compared to the halogen bulbs? Just look at that difference, guys. That's some added safety, let me tell you. So, go on and get you some Lasfit bulbs for your car. Alright. All the LED Lasfit bulbs are in, reverse lights, turn signals, and the running day brake lights are in. What do y'all think? Drop it in the comments. Here's the hazard lights, turn signals. Here's the running lights, which they never lit up the ground before. Here's the reverse lights. Can actually see where you're backing up now. Very, very bright.